Do you want to tell us who you are?
Sure, I'm Bruce McLeod. I'm the president and CEO of Sabina Gold and Silver, based in Vancouver.
Great, thank you. And so what are you looking forward to in the conference here?
Well, I think Rick and the group at Sprott have put together a very good table of speakers. A lot of certainly interest, I think, in the precious metal sector. And, I think a little technical analysis and other seeing what everybody else has to say about the state of the market, I think would be very interesting.
Great, yeah, and investors, I mean, you'll have a booth there.
Yes, we do.
And you'll talk a little bit about Sabina.
Sure. We are a advanced stage developer. Just in the final stages of permitting. We should get our final permit before year end, probably by the middle of November. And have had an extremely successful year this year in exploration, growing the discoveries that we have. And all told today, we're at a little over 5.2 million ounces measured and indicated, another 2 million ounces and inferred, and extremely high-grade open pits in southwestern Nunavut. So we're looking forward to telling our story to everyone.
To do that. My name is Eric Jensen. I'm the General Manager of Exploration for EMX Royalty Corporation, and I come from Denver, Colorado.
Excellent. Is this your first time at the Black Diamond Conference?
First time. Yeah, pretty excited about this. So I'm pitch hitting for some of our other executives that usually attend these conferences. I'm usually out in the field banging on rocks, as that's my job. But yeah, we have a good story to tell, so we're trying to get out and communicate with the investing public, telling what we're doing.
Excellent. Do you want to give us a quick look into what's going on with EMX?
Yeah, actually, probably some of the big news is we just closed a transaction that's put a lot of money into our treasury. So the company is really well funded right now, and we have a lot of exploration activity taking place. And what's interesting right now is that the exploration market's been in a downturn, but our company has seen a significant uptick in interest in our projects, partnership opportunities, and business opportunities this year. I think we're going to set a record this year in terms of the number of agreements and deals that we've done with other companies to advance our projects. So we're pretty proud of that. So good treasury, well-funded, and having a lot of fun, and the company's doing really well.
Good. So who are you most looking forward to seeing here speak today, or this conference?
Well, I guess certainly want to touch base with Tom, and because I'm a resource investor, I really want to touch base with Rick and his team as well.
Yes, you're saying that you had heard of Rick, but this was your first opportunity to meet with him. Is that right?
That's right. So I watch a lot of broadcasts and a lot of interviews, and Rick pops up all the time when it comes to resources. But actually coming to this conference has given me the opportunity to turn up here and to meet him in person, which is fantastic.
What I've learned in high net worth investor conferences is that while the dais wants to educate people, in a biblical sense, wants to teach them how to fish, the attendees want the speakers to catch fish for them, clean the fish, and serve them up with appropriate garnish. I'm going to be talking about three things that I'm doing with my money myself now. One being, of course, the takeover candidates that you've heard us talk about so much at Sprott. The second being the royalty and streaming companies, which we think are undervalued relative to the rest of the market. And the third would be that sector of exploration companies that we call prospect generators. A part of the markets has served me very well over the last 40 years, so I think is very timely right now. I think the audience will pick up well on that.
For Rick. And
so you're not like a newscaster?
No, I'm not.
You're pretty good at it.
Well,